Happy Monday, everyone. Unless you bought one of those recalled saliva-covered pre-rolls in Michigan, we have an update about the legal battle going on over cannabis delivery companies in California, and we have an NFL legend who has entered the world of CBD. It's Monday, August 10th, and this is your TRICHOMES Morning Buzz.
Broadcasting live from the TRICHOMES.com studios in Southern California, it's time for your Morning Buzz. We bring you late-breaking news that keeps you up to date with what's happening in the cannabis industry.
First up today, the landmark legal battle over cannabis delivery companies continues in California. After a short hearing last week on the case in Fresno, representatives from the state attorney general's office faced off with lawyers from 25 local governments that are trying to neuter a California policy allowing cannabis businesses to deliver products into any jurisdiction they wish, regardless of local cannabis business bans. Instead of handing out a decision, Judge Rosemary McGuire of the Fresno County Superior Court issued a tentative ruling and scheduled further briefing deadlines for both sides to argue whether the case is ripe for litigation. The judge will hear arguments November 16th. Multiple California cannabis delivery companies have said in the past year that their ability to deliver in any jurisdiction is critical to their bottom lines because roughly 2/3 of California's local governments maintain bans on commercial cannabis companies. But attorneys watching the case have also predicted that whichever side loses is certain to appeal, meaning the case could drag on for years until being decided by the state Supreme Court. Next, NFL legend Brett Favre is following the trend of former professional athletes now endorsing a CBD brand. Fox Business reports after years contending with the aches and pains of professional football, former NFL great Brett Favre has partnered with Green Eagle, a CBD brand that bills its products as a safe method of pain management. Favre, who is 50, will serve as brand ambassador for the New Jersey-based company, which sells a variety of CBD products, including topical creams and sprays, meant to help with muscle recovery and pain relief. The former Green Bay Packers star, who has been open about past struggles with an addiction to painkillers during his lengthy NFL career, said he agreed to work with Green Eagle after learning CBD did not have addictive qualities. I've turned down a lot of endorsements over my career simply because it just wasn't a good fit, Favre told Fox Business. But this was a product that I could relate to because it works. I've tried it. It's drug-free, and I can certainly speak volumes about what pain pills can do to you. Any alternative to an addictive pain relief, I'm for, and this is one of them, he said. Favre said he sees CBD as a useful tool for NFL players who maintain rigorous year-round training schedules. And our last story of the day might gross you out a little bit. A recall has been issued in Michigan for cannabis pre-rolls due to a worker licking them. MJ Biz Daily reports Michigan cannabis regulators issued a broad product recall Thursday based on a confirmed complaint that a processing worker licked pre-rolls. The Michigan Regulatory Agency's product recall covered more than 3,000 pre-rolls from 14 retail locations across the state. It's unclear how many pre-rolls the worker allegedly licked. The processing center was identified as 3843 Euclid in Bay City. The center's processing license has been suspended for 14 days, according to MLive.com. It's an overall unhygienic process that has the potential to spread a host of respiratory and gastrointestinal illnesses, Bob Wheaton, Public Information Officer for the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services, wrote in an email to Marijuana Business Daily. While there probably isn't sufficient data to make a judgment about the possibility of COVID-19 transmission, Wheaton wrote, we do not think we can eliminate the possibility. The virus that causes COVID can certainly be found in saliva. State regulators said their investigation is ongoing. Sales of the recalled products occurred between June 10th and August 3rd. A number of brands were identified in the recall. And that was today's Buzz. Thanks for listening. For more cannabis news and insights from industry professionals and a place to discuss these stories and others, visit TRICHOMES.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. You can also keep up with TRICHOMES on all social media platforms and the TRICHOMES YouTube channel. For TRICHOMES.com, I'm David Fortin. Take care.